Jellyfish lighting is a color-changing outdoor lighting system that's permanently installed along the eaves of your home. It allows for holiday, accent, and security lighting. Never get on a ladder to hang Christmas lights again, and be decorated for other holiday lights like Halloween, 4th of July, and more. You can save nightly timers for your lights to come on automatically from sunset to sunrise or static times. Jellyfish lighting is installed behind your trim in a track that matches your eave's color, so it is discreet from the street. Each light uses less than 1 watt of power on full bright white. Jellyfish lighting is installed facing downward and doesn't shine light into the sky. With zoning, you can control areas separately, so you can enjoy ambient lighting in the backyard and accent lighting in the front yard. And they are bright enough to be the primary light source. Jellyfish lighting is the perfect solution for all your holiday, accent, and security lighting needs.